Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw this picture in inverted style. So let's get started friends. Friends, before drawing any picture, you want to observe that picture carefully, and if we are drawing an inverted picture, the basic theory behind this is we want to invert the blacks and whites and we want to complement the colors. That's it. This is the basic theory behind all those things, and if we do this, we can achieve that good results. So here you can see the white part and the black part. We are going to draw the white part as black part and the black places as white places. Simple. We want to invert the blacks and whites, and we want to complement the colors. Here we are having yellow color and we are going to complement it with blue color. Yeah, if you are seeing in color wheel, the blue color is complemented by yellow color and vice versa. So that's it, and this is the basic theory behind these things. And yeah, I've already listed the things which we need to draw this drawing, and yeah, I'm going to again say this. And this tutorial is not going to be like a narrated tutorial. This is like a follow-up tutorial. Just follow this video, you can achieve the same results, even better results. So you need an 8B pencil or any other dark red pencils, even 10B or 6B, anything, and start shading the background, because we are having a dark background in this picture which I have shown you, and blend it with blending stump or tissue paper or even cotton bud or anything like that. Then for the normal highlights, we are going to use an mechanical eraser or an zero eraser. You can also use kneadable eraser, which will work fine for this place. And for the keen highlights, I'm using an white gel pen and paint marker. So you want an white gel pen, or you can use your correction pen for this. It will work fine, but you want to be careful for over there because it can spill around, it can mess up the area, so please be careful if you are using a correction pen. Then friends, that's it. So follow this tutorial, it will be work fine for you. And after watching this video, please do subscribe if you like this video, and if you like this video, just give a thumbs up and share with your friends who are just want to draw like this awesome stuffs. And stay tuned for more of these videos friends. A lot more videos are in the row, so it will be coming soon. That's it friends, enjoy this video and learn something. Let's learn together. Friends, I will suggest not to interrupt your process by seeing the drawing in inverted, because it may look messy while starting, but after finishing the artwork it will be looks good. So trust on yourself and start drawing. As you can see right here, I'm drawing the shell, and as I said, I'm drawing the lightest part as darkest part and the darkest part as lightest part. I'm drawing the shadows in white. So this is the basic theory behind all these type of inverted drawings or negative drawings, anything it could be called as. But the basic theory behind this is we want to invert the blacks and whites and complement the colors. That's it. So understand this carefully, and friend, there is a shortcut to draw this easily, but I won't suggest that to everyone. But if you want to try out easily, that will work fine. Take a source picture or a reference picture, then go and type on Google to invert pictures online or color inverter online, like that, anything. Then you could have been crossing some websites and select any one of those and upload the reference picture and click the invert, and it will be inverted. Just draw by seeing that, and after drawing that, just take a photograph of your artwork and then again go to the website and invert your art drawing. It will be looks as same as the reference picture. That's it friends, it will be super easy and super cool, but I don't recommend this easy method for everyone. Friends, I have already spoke a lot of things, so just enjoy this video, and if you want to try out, please do try out. And if you are trying it out, just tag me on Instagram or send it personally on my mail or even on Twitter. It will be great to see because I just love those things to see because I don't have an exact reason for that. Just draw this, friends. Yeah, enjoy it. Friends, here is what the thing which we are drawing, and I'm giving the final details to it. As you can see now, I have already completed the highlights and everything. Now I'm giving the final touches to it. This is what it looks in inverted style, friends. It looks super cool, right? Friends, just try it out because each and every art form has a lot of things to learn. And if you want to try something, just try it because to sow seeds is our duty. Rest of the things are not in our hands. So just do what you love. Eventually, your hard work will get you what you want. So that's it, friends. This is what I want to say to you all, and here's my tutorial for my new drawings. And I think it looks super cool and it is super easy for just beginning all these things. So just begin all those things. will be lovely. So yeah friends, we came to the end of this video, and as you can see now, I'm giving the final touches to it, and that's it friends. So this is the drawing, and I hope you like it. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and who just want to learn drawings and other stuffs. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And thank you so much for watching friends. See you on the next video. Bye.